Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Puppy Gacha Machine in Heartopia game Maltese event update. Okay, first of all, I'm going to go to the event menu and I'm going to open up the Puppy Gacha Machine. And if you want to use this machine, guys, you need to have the Maltese Gacha coins, and you can farm the coins by completing either the daily quest or the event quest, or just complete both of them, and you will earn the Maltese Gacha coins. Okay, after you have the Maltese Gacha coins, you can go to this menu, Gacha Draw, and for one draw, you will need 10 Maltese Gacha coins. Okay, and we will get item, or we will get the Maltese token that we can use to buy something from the exchange store. Okay, I'm gonna draw, and let's see what I get. Oh, I got 10 Maltese tokens. And yeah, just like that, basically you just need to click on this menu and it will consume your Maltese Gacha coins. Okay guys, and that's how we can use the Puppy Gacha coins. Puppy Gacha Machine in Heartopia Maltese event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.